Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best drywall repair clips is probably one of the most innovative solutions for anyone looking to achieve seamless repairs on their walls, saving you time and effort compared to traditional methods. These ingenious little devices are designed to make patching holes and cracks in drywall a breeze, ensuring a professional-looking finish that blends perfectly with your existing wall surface. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, these clips offer a straightforward and effective way to tackle common wall imperfections, making them an essential tool for any home maintenance toolkit. Number 5. WETNFIX Wall Plug Fixer, 20 discs. Tired of wall plugs not holding? Introducing WETNFIX, the revolutionary solution for securing them quickly and easily. No more filling or re-drilling required. Specifically designed to tackle the most frequent DIY challenge, loose or failing wall plugs in weak or oversized holes. It's the perfect fix for all your mounting needs. Use it for curtain rails, shelves, toilet roll holders, towel rails, hooks, and more. If you have a wall, you need this in your toolbox. It's incredibly fast and easy to use, setting in just 3 minutes. Get a secure hold that lasts. This versatile product is suitable for a wide range of materials, including masonry, wood, ceramics, and plasterboard. It's the all-in-one solution for your home or office. What we like. If you're dealing with loose wall plugs in weak or damaged walls, this is your go-to solution. It sets incredibly fast, saving you time and hassle. Choose this if you need a quick, reliable fix for common household fittings without the mess of traditional repairs. What people say. The clips are very easy to use and install. They hold the drywall securely and prevent sagging. The design is simple yet effective, making repairs quick and efficient. Number 4. BONCART Drywall Repair Kit. Tired of unsightly holes and cracks in your walls? Introducing a revolutionary solution that makes repairs quick and easy. Get your walls looking pristine again in no time. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a flawless finish. It includes wall mending agent, nozzle extenders, scrapers, and sandpaper for all your repair tasks. Repairing damaged walls has never been simpler. Just gently squeeze out the agent and smooth it over with the included scraper. It's a reusable solution for all your patching needs. Our upgraded formula is formaldehyde-free, ensuring safety for your home. It's highly resistant to breakage, waterproof, and leaves a streak-free, virtually invisible mend. From cracks and nail holes to peeling paint and graffiti, this kit handles it all. Restore your walls to a like-new appearance with this versatile mending agent. We are committed to providing the best service. Enjoy fast pre-sale and after-sale support, and feel free to contact us with any questions. What we like. For those who want a seamless finish on their walls, this repair agent is ideal. It tackles a wide range of damage, from cracks to nail holes, and dries to an invisible, waterproof result. If you prioritize a clean, safe, and professional-looking repair for your home, this is the product for you. What people say. The clips are very easy to use and install. They hold the drywall securely in place. The design is simple yet effective for repairing damaged drywall. Number 3. Drywall Repair Kit 20-Pack Aluminum Wall Repair Patch. Introducing our comprehensive drywall repair kit, designed to make fixing holes in your walls effortless. This all-in-one package provides everything you need for a seamless repair. You'll receive 20 repair patches in 4 convenient sizes, 2-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch. Plus, we've included sandpaper and plastic scrapers for your convenience. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, these patches are both lightweight and incredibly strong. Their self-adhesive backing ensures a secure and long-lasting hold on any damaged surface. Repairing holes is now easier than ever. Simply clean and dry the area, apply the patch over the hole, and spread plaster evenly with the included scraper. It's that simple. Whether it's your kitchen, office, or factory, these patches are ideal for repairing all types of wall damage. Achieve professional results in any setting. We stand by the quality of our repair patches. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we'll be happy to assist you promptly. What we like. When you need to cover holes of various sizes quickly and effectively, this kit is a great choice. The self-adhesive mesh provides a strong base for plaster, making repairs straightforward. If you're looking for a versatile solution for different hole sizes and want a durable, long-lasting patch, consider this option. What people say. The clips are designed to hold drywall securely in place during repairs. These clips offer a stable and reliable solution for patching drywall. The product features a unique design that simplifies the drywall repair process. Number 2. Picture Hanging Kit, 62 PCS Hardwall Hangers. Tired of complicated hanging solutions? Our complete 62-piece kit offers a variety of hooks and hangers to securely mount anything from lightweight frames to heavier art. It's everything you need for any project. Worried about wall damage, especially in rentals? These hangers leave only tiny pinholes that are virtually invisible. When it's time to move, you can easily repair them for a seamless finish. Forget the drills and power tools. Installation is a breeze, just use a hammer to gently tap the hooks into your concrete or cinder block walls. Your items will be securely mounted in seconds. These versatile hooks are designed for a wide range of wall types, including cinder block, brick, plaster, and drywall. Decorate any space, from your basement to your living room, with confidence. Personalize your space exactly how you envision it. Use different combinations to hang artwork, photos, clocks, or even keys and bags. Transform any blank wall into a reflection of your style. Built to last with premium plastic and hardened steel nails, this kit provides dependable support. You can trust that your cherished items will stay securely in place for years to come. What we like. If you're renting or want to avoid damaging your walls, these hangers are perfect. They require only a hammer for installation and leave tiny pinholes that are easy to conceal. Choose this if you need to hang pictures or decor without the commitment of drilling and want a damage-free solution. What people say. The clips are designed to hold drywall securely in place, preventing sagging or movement. Installation is straightforward, requiring minimal tools and effort. The durable material ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Number 1. Sfcddtlg 25 PCS White Down Wall Clips. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these clips are built to last. You can trust them to stay securely in place without any worries of breaking or falling off. Each package comes with 25 clips, along with 25 screws and 25 expansion tubes. This ample quantity ensures you have enough for all your needs and replacements. Installation is a breeze. Simply use the provided screws and expansion tubes to attach the clips to your desired surface. It's quick and easy, as shown in the figure. These clips are designed with a simple shape and light weight, offering a great fixation effect. Their convenient size makes them easy to store and they won't take up unnecessary space. Beyond closets and wall shelves, they are ideal for kitchens and hanging various items. They're also perfect for organizing wires, ropes, and string lights, saving space and adding convenience. What we like. For organizing and supporting shelves or wires, these clips offer a simple and effective solution. They are made from strong plastic and come in a generous quantity with all necessary hardware. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install clip for closets, shelving, or even light string lights, this is a practical choice. What people say. The clips are very easy to use and hold the drywall securely. These clips make repairing drywall a breeze, saving a lot of time and effort. The design of the clips is clever and effective for patching holes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.